Oh.
Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Galeon 550 Fly. Sitting back here in the aft deck on the 550 Fly, you can see we have expansive seating. 8 adults can comfortably fit here. Extending table that folds in and out so you can get in and out of the seat. A great social area. Nice hard top that extends out. Plenty of protection from the sun. Great place to enjoy the day with your family. I'm here in the galley in the 550 Fly. Fully equipped galley ranging from convection microwave oven, dual burner cooktop, stainless steel sink with high-end faucets, to a full fridge and freezer. Everything you need to prepare a meal on the water. Sitting here in the full beam master of this 550 Fly. We got a nice settee area here where you can get ready, you can do some work. The ladies can get ready and put on their makeup, you can do some work, check your emails. Tons of space, natural light, a full-size queen mattress, a really luxurious place to escape at the end of the day. Up here on the flybridge, there's no better place to be on this boat. Expansive amounts of seating, large table space. Of course, you got a refrigerator, a grill, an ice maker up here. There's nowhere I'd rather be. Full sun pad here. We're on a beautiful day here, 72 degrees. And look at this view. This is where all your social space is going to be on this boat.